The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, keyless start, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, keyless entry, aluminum wheels, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener, rear defrost, trip computer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.